method. See, this type of problems will be asked in your exam. Year will be given and sales will be given. You have to represent your sales as Y. You have to represent your sales as Y. Then you have to find out X, X square and XY. So how to find out X, X square and XY, I will explain. See here, you have to take this is your base. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is even. This is odd number. 5 is odd number, right? So 93, you have to take 0 here, then minus 1, minus 2. You are going backward and moving forward. 1 and 2. Okay, like this you have to calculate this column, that is your X. Again, I am telling you 1993 means first 2 you have to leave and last 2 you have to leave. You have to take in between. Okay, so this is your 0, minus 1 and minus 2, 1 and 2. Then square this X, X square. X square means 2 into 2 is 4. 1 ones are 1, 0, 1, then 4. Then X into Y. Now see here, this is X into Y. I am writing clearly X into Y. X into Y means 9 into minus 2. This is minus 18. 12 into minus 1, minus 12. 14 into 0, 0. 16 into 1 is 16. 20 into 2 is 40. So you have to, now you have to calculate all this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is N. N is equals to 5. Then Y, you have to calculate Y also. 9 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 20, which comes to 71. Sigma Y is equals to, you have to represent summation also, you can say sigma also 71. Okay, this 2 plus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So minus 3 plus 3, plus into minus minus. So it is sigma X is equals to 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Sigma X square is equals to 10. Then add this because see, you have to add up the plus values, then minus with the minus values. Okay. So 14 plus 16 is 56. 56 minus 12 minus 18 is equals to 26. Okay. Sigma XY is equals to 26. Now see here, according to the straight line method, the straight line equation is YC is equals to A plus BX. This is the formula. YC is equals to A plus BX. Now YC is equals to A plus BX as, now we have to calculate, since segmentation X is equals to 0, we have to ascertain the value of A and B. A and B. Now what is A and what is B? A is equals to sigma Y by N and B is equals to sigma XY by X square. So we have already calculated. We have calculated sigma Y as well as N. We know that is 71 divided by N is 5. Sigma XY is 26. 26 divided by 10. 71 divided by 5 is equals to 14.2 and 26 divided by 5 is equals to 2.6. So now see, you have to just substitute that values in the equation. Y is equals to A plus BX. A is what? See here, A is 14. YC is equals to 14.2 plus B is 2.6x. So this is how you can calculate the least square method. In this way, you have to calculate the least square method. The least square method, 10 marks question for your exam. So he may ask this one, and he also asks the trend values, trend years also he may ask. So if he's asking you the trend values, same formula. Yc is equals to a plus bx. Now, see here. 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, and 1995. So what is x? You know, this is your x. This is your x. So x minus 2, x minus 1, x is equals to 0, x plus 1, and x plus 2. So this is the trend values. How to calculate? This is the way to calculate the trend values. So now I am distributing yc is equals to 14.2 a plus bx. This is x minus 2. We know what is x now. You have to distribute in this x. 14.2 plus 2.6 minus 2. Then yc is equals to same like that. 14.2 plus 2.6 minus 1. This minus 2, minus 1, these are the x values which we have taken here in this column. So I'm just distributing the x value as we got the equation. I'm distributing in that. Then yc is equals to 14.2 plus 2.6 into 0. Yc is equals to 14.2 plus 2.6 into 1. Yc is equals to 14.2 plus 2.6 into 2. So when you have to calculate, see here I'll tell you the simple way. First you have to multiply this 2.6 into minus 2, then plus 14.2. So plus into minus, easily you can get the answer 9. I have already done, so I'm explaining. 14.2, 16.8, 19.4. So in this way, he will be asked. So if he is asking the trend values also, you have to calculate the trend values in this way. And one more column you have to add. If he is asking you the trend values, you better add one more column here. Okay. YC. So trend values according to that 9 plus 11.6, 14.2, 16.8, 19.2. If you add up this, you should get 71. If you will get 71, then only your answer is right. Okay. So you calculate and check. If you want, you can calculate and say check. YC is equals to 71. So if this is right, this should be sigma y is equals to 71. That should be equal to yc. Yc is nothing but your trend value. So 71. If both are equal, it means your problem is right. You can check your problem here only, and you can, if you tally this both columns, it means your problem is completely correct. Okay. So this is the calculation of least square method. He is asking in 10 marks question. Okay. Clear everyone? Then I will move on to the median, mode and mean. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this problem. I hope you all have taken the screenshot, and I hope that you're understanding. Just let me know whether you're understanding it or not through your message. You just message me which problems you want, what problems you want, and that I can explain. So please message me. I will explain you the problems. Next, I will explain you median. Calculation of median, I will explain from your book only if you want. I will explain. Let me check in your book once. Which previous year paper, median, I'm explaining. Mute करे साहब. Everyone, I'm just checking the previous year paper, and I will be back within 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait. Huh? Now see here, as you told that you want me to explain the previous year paper. I'm explaining you the from that previous year paper only. I'm explaining you same method. Regression analysis x on y and y on x. How to calculate that I will explain. Now see here, he will be giving you the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. That is n number of observation is 10. And x and y. X and y. X and y has been given. X and y. So you have to calculate two equations, that is x on x and y. Two equations we have to calculate. So how to calculate that equations I will explain. Now x, all this column, you have to total this column. You will get sigma x is equals to 580 and sigma y is equals to 140. So when you will complete this column, this is called mean. X bar is equals to n. So x bar is equals to sigma x by n and y bar is equals to sigma y by n. So sigma x, what we have, 580 by n is 10. 140 divided by 10. So we will get here 58 and here we will get 14. So now this 58 is your x. Okay, x minus x bar. X bar is your 58. X bar you got and y bar you got. So x minus x bar. X is this. I am writing the small here for your clarification. 50 minus 58. Minus 8 you will get. Like that you have to calculate. 58. 50 minus 58. See, for your clarification, I am writing minus 8. Again, you will get because the number is same. Like that, 55 minus 58, you will get minus 3. 60 minus 58, you will get plus 2. 65 minus. So like this, you have to calculate 2 and 7. 2, 2 minus 8. Okay. In the same way, see here, y bar is equals to sigma y by n. So sigma y is 140 divided by 10, you will get 14. So 14 से ये column को minus करना, 11 में से 14 को minus करना. Okay. So 11 minus 14 is minus 3. Like that you have to calculate the entire column. 13 minus 14 is minus 1. 14 minus 14 is 0. 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So you will get in this way, you have to calculate the two columns. You will get what? X minus x bar and y minus y bar. So you will get sigma y and sigma x and sigma y. Then see here. X square, 8 square. 8 का square ले लो. 8 square is what? 64. 8 square is again 64. 3 square is 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 7 7s are 49. This is also 49. This is also 49. Then 4. Then 4. Then 64. Minus, when your minus into minus will come plus. So no more minus negative signs will be there. Then minus 3 is 9. 1, 0, 4, 4, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So like this you have to total up the columns. Then x into y. X into y. This is your x and this is your y. This into this. 8 minus 8 into minus 3. 8 3s are 24. Minus into minus plus 24. Like that you have to calculate the entire column. 8, 0, 4, 14, 7, 7, 0, minus 2. Then you have 8, एक मिनट. This is your 24, 8, 0, 4, 14, 7, 7, 0, minus 2, 8. So when you have to total up all the columns, sigma x is 0. See, minus all minus को add करो फिर plus को add करो, then if you total it you will get 0 and this also 0. Sigma x square is 360, sigma y square is 22 and your sigma xy is equals to 70. In statistics, the table means a lot. If you know how to calculate this, you have to distribute the values in your formula. Okay, so till we got x bar and y bar. Now Calpasius coefficient of correlation. Now I'm writing you the formula. Calpasius Pearson's correlation of coefficient. Okay, R is equals to sigma xy by under root sigma x square into sigma y square is equals to. I mean, sigma xy is what? Now you have to just distribute. Sigma xy is 70. 70 divided by 360 into 22 is equals to 70 by under root 7920. You have to calculate this. Okay. 70 divided by 88.99, which is plus or minus will be, but plus 786. Okay, like this you have to calculate. This is so in this way you have to calculate Calpasius coefficient of correlation of coefficient. In this way you have to do the problem. Okay, understanding or not? Just respond. अब मैंने ठहरना now see here ma this is ये एक्चुअल मीन से कैलकुलेशन है. ओके, रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस का ये एक्चुअल मीन का है. एक्चुअल मीन का मीनिंग क्या है बोले तो आपको यहाँ पे जो आप एक्स बार मतलब मीन जो फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं वो 58 आया. अगर 58.9 इफ इट इज कम्स इन डेसिमल्स मतलब पॉइंट में आ रहा आपका आंसर तो आपका कैलकुलेशन दूसरे वे में होता. सो एक्चुअल मीन एंड एज्यूम मीन. दिस इज एक्चुअल मीन. एक्चुअल मीन्स मतलब जो 58 है आप एक्चुअली जो लिए जो यहाँ पे आया उससे माइनस कर दिया एक्स और वाई को. एक्स आया 58 तो 58 से माइनस करें और 14 आया वाई तो 14 से माइनस करें. बट in another way you have I will explain you one more problem. ऑन द सेम मेथड रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस का एक और मेथड एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ मैं. उसमें क्या है बोले तो आपको एक्चुअल मीन और एज्यूम मीन दो मीन्स दो रहते हैं. ये एक्चुअल मीन का है. I'll write it here. This is actual mean. This is calculation of coefficient of correlation of coefficient का. ये actual mean का है. आपको मैं assume mean का भी explain करती हूँ. Assume mean का I will explain a simple small problem. चलो, I'll clean the board and I will explain you the next problem that is through assume mean. Okay. So I'm explaining you through assume mean now. Okay, actual mean का हो गया. अभी assume mean का explain कर रही मैं आप लोगों को. ठीक है. Assume mean same thing. He may ask you assume mean means का मतलब क्या है बोल तो अगर आपका mean जो है डेसिमल्स में आ रहा तो आपको एक नंबर लेके मतलब यू हैव टू राउंड अप इट टू द नियरेस्ट को राउंड अप करके लेना रहता है उसको. इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. देखिए यहाँ पे dy is equals to y bar minus y minus a. Then ये डेविएशन का जैसा रहता dx square dy square and dx into dy. इजी वे में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ बेटा जल्दी जल्दी क्योंकि यू हैव मेनी मोर प्रॉब्लम्स टू डू. टाइम इज लेस. ओके. I'm trying to help you. You also have to try. You have to subscribe to my channel. Support me with your motivation so that I can also help you. Not only first year, second year, final year में भी help करूँगी इंशाल्लाह. तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा मेरे को भी मोटिवेट करो, हेल्प करो चैनल को ग्रो होने के लिए. You just practice these problems and go inshallah definitely whatever I'm explaining वही method में पूछता बस. Concept will be same, numbers will be different. And inshallah you all pass. You just tell your friends also to join. Very few are there. चलो जो भी interested है. Now, see whenever you will get this, पहले ये देता and he will tell you to calculate the coefficient of regression coefficient पूछता या coefficient of correlation, coefficient of calculation, calculate the coefficient of correlation. So when he will give you x and y, पहले जब x and y देता ना बेटा तो first you have to add up x and add up y and see whether it is assume mean or actual mean. अगर assume mean है, actual mean है तो आपको decimal नहीं आता. नहीं है अगर assume mean में है मतलब decimal आया तो assume mean में करना नहीं तो actual mean में करना. अभी और एक बार बोल रही हूँ मैं जो मैं प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम कराई वो एक्चुअल मीन है. अब जो करा रही हूँ assume mean है. ओके. Now, so first you have to total this two column sigma x bar and sigma Hello? Hello? I hope my voice is audible to you all right now. Now is my voice clear? All have understand both the methods in regression. I have explained you actual mean as well as assume mean. So in this way, he will ask you the question. So if you want, you just take the screenshot of this problem. Take the screenshot of this problem. Then I will explain you the next problem. So you want the theory part now, or you want me to explain the problems now? You just message me or text me in chat. Shall I explain the theory, or you want one more important question is there, that is Fisher's ideal index. That one problem I will explain. Then 10 marks 3 problems I have explained. Problems only you want? Okay, I will explain you the problems. Just to wait for 1 minute. I will come back with a new problem. Another important question, that is calculation of Fisher ideal index. This also he will ask you for 10 marks tomorrow, inshallah. ये easy है, बहुत easy है, formula याद करना बस. And you see the method how I am explaining you. Oh, simple, very simple 10 marks question. This information will be given in the problem. He will give you the commodity A, B, C, D, E. Okay. PQ, P0, Q0. This is called, ये quantity है और ये price है. P0, P1 is price, Q0, Q1 is quantity. तो base year और current year बोल के देता आपको, तो उसके हिसाब से करना. Okay. This is price. This is quantity. Q क्या है बोल के परेशान रखो. P ये price है और ये quantity है बेटा. Okay. P0, Q0, P1, Q1. So this is called Fisher ideal index. Fisher ideal index calculation करने के वास्ते आप कोई भी देखो, एक्चुअली फॉर्मूला क्या है, यहाँ है सिग्मा P1 Q0 डिवाइडेड बाय सिग्मा P0 Q0 इनटू सिग्मा P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. This is the formula. Now, अभी आप जैसा यहाँ है सिग्मा P1 Q0 वैसा भी ले सकते हैं या फिर आपकी मर्जी. मैं तो ऐसा जैसा है वैसा भी ले सकते हैं, नहीं भी चाहे तो नहीं ले सकते, मुश्किल नहीं है. जैसा देखो यहाँ सिग्मा P1 Q0 है ना, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख सिग्मा P1 Q0. सिग्मा P0 Q0 I have taken first. Sigma P1 Q1 I have taken here and sigma P0 Q10 I have taken here. Okay, so you can take either way. ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं, ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं. अब ये sigma P0 Q0 क्या है? You have to just multiply the columns. P0 Q0, P0 Q0 मैं इसलिए ऐसा लिखी क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखी बस. 12 into 600, 10 into 1000, 14 into 840, 16 into 480, 18 into 720. बस कॉलम्स को इंटू करना है. See here, साथ में करो. First is 7200, 12 into 600, 7200, 10,000, 11,760, 7680, 12,960, like this. P1 Q1, P1 Q1, 20 into 2,400, 4,008, 48,000, 11,200, 20, yes, 20, 17,750. आप लोग साथ में कैलकुलेट करो, आपको आ जाता 16,000. Then you have to total these four columns. Then 12,000. अभी देखो P1 Q1, P1 Q0, P1 Q0, 20 into 600. P1 Q0 है ना, 20 into 600 ऐसा कैलकुलेट करना है. 12,000, then 12,000, then 12,600, then 8,640, 14,400. Okay, then P0 Q1, P0 Q1 ये कॉलम से ये कॉलम को P0 Q1 बस ये लिख लेना आप. इसके हिसाब से इनटू करना है ईच कॉलम, लाइक दिस. ये कॉलम से ये कॉलम को, ये कॉलम से ये कॉलम को, बस और कुछ भी नहीं है. P0 Q1, P0 कितना है 12, 12 इंटू Q1 इस कितना है 2,400. कैलकुलेट. Okay, 28,800. Okay, 9,600, 14,700. Just you have to calculate the columns. This is also 14,400. Then total it up. ये पूरे columns को total करो. Okay, अभी देखो values थोड़े बड़े रहते हैं, मतलब ऊपर ऐसे लिख लो. Just sigma P0 Q0, sigma P1 Q1, sigma P1 Q0, summation भी बोल सकते हैं, summation P0 Q1. Okay, like that. Total it up and you have to write 59640. No, sorry. 496. 107,470, then 59640. टोटल करो पूरे कॉलम्स को, आप लोगों को ये वैल्यूज आ जाते हैं 67,200. ये वैल्यूज आ गए, ये पूरे वैल्यूज आ गए. अब आने के बाद से इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. फॉर्मूला इज रेडी, यू जस्ट हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इट. अंडर रूट सिग्मा P1 Q0, देखो इधर सिग्मा P1 Q0 कितना है 59,640. ओके, ले लो 59,640. सिग्मा P0 Q0, सिग्मा P0 Q0 क्या है 49600. 49600 मतलब 49,600. फिर P1 Q1, P1 Q1 this one 107,470. P0 Q0, P0 Q0 67200 into 100. ओके, पहले इससे इसको डिवाइड, इससे इसको डिवाइड. ओके, डिवाइड दिस 59,640 डिवाइडेड बाय 49,600. इन दोनों को डिवाइड करें तो आपको डिवाइड करना 1.202 करके देख लो. ये दोनों को डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट 1.599 into 100. इंटू करके उसका रूट निकालो, उसके बाद से इसको इंटू करो. इन दोनों को इंटू करो, फिर उसका रूट निकालो. ओके, यू विल गेट 1.64 into 100, you will get 126.4. Okay, so this is your Fisher's ideal index. So इसमें क्या है, आप लोगों को टाइम रिवर्सल, फैक्टर रिवर्सल भी पूछ रहा, बट इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर मी टू एक्सप्लेन. इतना भी कर लिए इसका. अब टाइम रिवर्सल फैक्टर रिवर्सल में क्या है बोले तो आपको ये मालूम हो रहा ना, इसका ही रिवर्स मतलब इनटू, देन ये जो नीचे है वो ऊपर आता है, ऊपर ऐसे नीचे. सिर्फ टाइम रिवर्सल एंड फैक्टर रिवर्सल बोलते. टाइम इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ही विल आस्क दिस मच ओनली. इफ यू डू दिस मच आल्सो यू विल गेट 8 marks, no problem. Okay, so 4 problems I have explained. 4 problems I have explained, and so with this we have completed 4 problems. 10 marks, 4 problems I have explained. Shall we continue or shall I wind up the class? You can, I hope you all understand whatever I have explained. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please support me to grow. Thank you so much. क्या बोल रहा हूँ?